The 2009 Chrysler PT Cruiser. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.